So what we now want to show you guys is our monster function. So you can see our red parabola has a series of transformations done to it, and our black parabola is just the parent function. And we're going to manipulate our parent function in order to get the monster equation. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do a horizontal shift. So when we make it x minus 4 squared and press enter, we see that our vertex has shifted to the right 4 units, and now seems like it's in line, at least vertically, with our monster function. Now we're going to reflect the graph by throwing that negative sign out front. So now for every x value we put in, since we're squaring that x value, every y value will be negative. So the graph is now increasing downward, and it is now facing the same direction as our monster function. The next is to do our vertical stretch, our dilation. So we multiply by a value of 3, and when we press enter, we see that the graph now has taken a very similar shape, has a similar width as the monster function. And the last thing that we need to do to turn our parent function into the monster function is add the vertical shift. So looking at our black parabola and then looking at the red parabola, now all we need to do is add a value of 5. So when we go in and we add 5 on the tail end of our function, we then see that the two line up perfectly like a puzzle. So now we've taken our parent function and made it a monster function, and what we now want you to explore is creating your own monster function, having a parent function, and then telling us what transformations you perform in order to make your monster function's image the same as the parent function.